Hi, this is my post-graduation video. Can't believe I'm saying that. What I'm feeling right now is I'm having a hard time putting it into words. I'm eternally grateful for every teacher on this online platform and all the teachers of teachers of teachers. I would like to just personally thank Sergio, Astrid, Akari, Alex, Karen, and Christian, and also Henrik, for dealing with all of the online technical issues. And this course, starting this course has been one of the best decisions I've ever made, and I'm overwhelmed with knowledge and love, and I can't wait to continue my journey of yoga. And this was the most beautiful kickstart. I also want to say to everyone who's still in the middle of their training to keep going. You're doing amazing, and don't be too hard on yourself. Try to accept the reality of where you are right now, because that's totally fine. And with every task that comes your way, try to just do it with what you have now, because that's enough. And trust that the training will guide you to where you want to be, because it will. It definitely will. And I look forward to connecting with you all, and staying connected with you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart, every single part of my heart and soul.